The coffee bean as we know it is actually a seed. It comes from a bright red fruit, often called a cherry, that grows on the coffee tree. These trees thrive in tropical climates, soaking up the sun and rain. Coffee trees can grow quite tall, but farmers prune them to make harvesting easier. Each cherry usually contains 2 coffee beans. The beans are covered in layers of pulp and parchment. These layers protect the precious beans inside. Harvesting coffee is a labor of love, often done by hand. Workers carefully pick the ripe red cherries from the branches. They leave the unripe green cherries on the tree to mature. In some places, machines help with the harvest, but hand-picking ensures only the best cherries are selected. After picking, the real work begins, separating the beans from the fruit. Freshly picked coffee beans are still encased in their protective layers. These layers need to be removed before roasting. One method is dry processing, where the cherries are spread out in the sun to dry. Another method is wet processing, which uses water and fermentation to remove the outer layers. Once the beans are dry, the magic of roasting begins. The beans are roasted at high temperatures, transforming their color and flavor. Roasting gives coffee its distinctive aroma and taste. Roasted coffee beans are hard and crunchy. They need to be ground into a coarse powder to release their flavor. The fineness of the grind depends on the brewing method. Finally, the ground coffee meets hot water and the magic happens. The hot water extracts the soluble compounds from the coffee grounds. This creates the rich aromatic brew we know as coffee. From bean to cup, the journey is complete.